let's assume we are given a question like this in exam. Integrate 7x plus 8 divided by 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 with respect to x. How do we solve a question like this? If you look at this fraction, it has a numerator and a denominator. Now, there's something we call integration by partial fraction. What it means is that we have to split this big fraction into smaller ones before we are being able to what? To integrate. How do we do that? Now, let's take a look. The first thing we do is to factorize the denominator. We are going to factorize the denominator. To factorize this denominator, if you remember your factorization method, you multiply 2 by 5, that's 10. What are the factors of 10? That once you multiply, you have 10. If you add, you have 11. That is 10 and 1. 10 and 1. So this is the same thing as 2x squared plus 10x plus x plus 5. This, what is common? 2x. So 2x and 2x squared, x. 2x and 10x, 5. What's common between x and 5? That's plus 1. 1 in x, 1 in 5, 5. This and this are the same, so we are good to go. Then you pick one of these, that's x plus 5 into bracket 2x plus 1. So this denominator is the same thing as this. Then we rewrite this big fraction, 7x plus 8 divided by x plus 5 2x plus 1 dx. We are still not done. We still need to what? To solve by partial fraction. So to solve this by partial fraction, what we do is that we use two letters a. We say a divided by the first fraction here is what? The first function there is x plus 5. Then plus b. The second function is 2x plus 1. Alright, so this is the same thing as this. Then we're going to equate it to the original equation. 7x plus 8 divided by x plus 5, 2x plus 1. So by the time you take your LCM, we're going to have x plus 5, 2x plus 1. This in this, we are left with this. So a 2x plus 1 plus this in this, we are left with this. B x plus 5 equals to everything we have here. Alright. Now, what next? This is the same thing as this. So it goes away. So we are left with what? The numerator. So it's the same thing as a. Let me solve the partial fraction first. A 2x plus 1 plus b x plus 5 equals to 7x plus 8. Now what do? We are now going to look, or we're going to imagine a value for x such that one of these will cancel out. For example, if you assume x to be minus 5 plus 5 0, b times 0 0, so this will go out, then we are left with this, then we can solve for a. The other way around, x will be minus half, so that this function can go, then we can solve for b. So let's start. So you say let x equals to minus 5. So if you substitute x minus 5 here, that's minus 5 plus 5, 0 0, so b is left out. So we are left with minus 5 times 2, that's minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1, minus 9. Minus 9a equals to minus 5 times 7, that's minus 35, plus 8, that is minus 27. So our a is minus 27 divided by minus 9, that's 3. The same thing b. For us to solve for b, we need to cancel out a. That means we are going to let our x a be minus 1 over 2. So the same way, let x equals minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2 times 2, minus 1, plus 1, 0 times a, 0. So we are left with this. So this is going to give us b minus 1 over 2 plus 5 equals to 7 minus 1 over 2 plus 8. Okay? if you take your LCM, yeah, that's 2. 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2. 2 times 5, 10 equals to, this is minus 7 over 2 plus 8 over 1. That's 2 minus 7 plus 16. At the end of the day, minus 1 plus 10, that is 9. So I have 9 over 2b equals to minus 7 plus 16, that's 9 over 2. Okay, 9 over 2. So my b equals 9 over 2 divided by 9 over 2. That's 9 over 2 times 2 over 9. That's 1. So my b is 1. So a is what? 3. B is 1. So we're not going to come back to this original. So that is integral. Instead of writing 7x plus 8, I'm going to write a. And what's my a? My a is 3 divided by x plus 5 plus, what's my b? 1 over 2x plus 1. Everything with respect to dx. So can you see? So we have been able to transform this into this using what we call partial fraction, solving by partial fraction. So let's go on. So we're going to integrate separately 3 over x plus 5 with respect to x plus integral 1 over 2x plus 1 with respect to x. My final answer. So if you look at the denominator, if I differentiate this denominator, I'm going to have 1. Okay, but what do I need to do? I need to bring this constant, I need to bring it out. So that will be 3 ln x plus 5. This is 2. If I differentiate 2x, I'm going to have 2. So I need to bring that 2 out. But it won't be 2. It will now be 1 over 2. Okay? 1 over 2 ln 2x plus 1. And anytime you're differentiating, anytime you're integrating, you must always put what? Plus constant of integration. And this is my final answer. So that is how to go about questions like this. Let me come again. Let me recap. We are given a function. We are asked to integrate. But if you look at this, this does not fall under any standard integral. So we need to look for a way in which we can try to simplify this big fraction. We do that by using a method we call solving by partial fractions. Okay, so this is the same thing as this. Then 7x plus 8 is the same as a plus b. Once you factorize this using factorization method, you're going to have 2x plus 1 and x plus 5. So you find your LCM. X plus 5 cancels x plus 5. You are left with 2x plus 1 times this a. 2x plus 1 cancels out 2x plus 1. We are left with x plus 5 times this b. Okay, equals to this, which is this. So the denominator is the same as this denominator. They're going to cancel out. So I left with this numerator equals to this numerator. That is a 2x plus 1 plus b x plus 5 equals to 7x plus 8. We now have to do something. We have to try and cancel out either a or b so that we can what? Solve further. To do that, we assume that our x is what? Minus 5. So that minus 5 plus 5, 0 times b, 0. So b is left out. We're now left with a 2x plus 1. Minus 5 times 2, minus 10 plus 1, minus 9. Minus 9 times a, minus 9a. Okay. Then for the other side, the right hand side, minus 9, minus 5 times 7, minus 35 plus 8. That's minus 27. Then a equals to this over this. Then a is 3. The same way for b, we assume that this is minus half. So that minus half times 2 plus 1 we cancel out. This a will cancel out. Then we are left with minus half plus 5. At the end of the day, we got what? Minus 7 plus 16 divided by 2. Then our b gave us what? 1. So this fraction is the same as this. Then if you have to integrate 3 over x plus 5, 3 is a constant, you bring it out. Differentiate 1 over x plus 5. I'm going to have ln x plus 5 plus integrate. If you differentiate this denominator, I have 1, which is the same as this. That is going to be 2x is 2. So 2 is a what? Is a constant. You try and bring it out. And if you try and bring it out, it's going to be half 1 over 2. Then once you integrate this, you have this. Then your plus your constant of integration. So that is how to what? Integrate by partial fractions.